So we went to the beach recently and collected all of these shells, all different kinds. But some of the shells that we found on the beach, I noticed there's these holes right at the tippy top. So we are going to be using these today and making some necklaces. Just the ones that have holes in them already. That way we won't have to drill. And to hold the shell on, just to get started, I have some little pearlescent beads. So I'm going to put one on the string. It's going to find its way to the middle just by matching up my ends here and pulling. That's not quite the center, that's close. And then I'm going to put both strings through the inside of the shell, through that hole. And slide it down. So there's a little pearl inside of my shell now. And I can string beads on both sides to create a necklace.